Well, I'm just now starting this YouTube stuff. I didn't take a video of me installing anything, so this video is pointless. But I'm posting it anyway. It's my buddy's twin turbo. What is this? LLY. I just fixed his radio for him. This is what I took out of there. So we got it all figured out for him. It works now. So that chime in the back, put that in there. There you go. And then this radio will stay on for 10 minutes, or supposed to be if I open this. Yep, because it shuts off. So if you got a Chevrolet, I'm sure the gas and the diesels are the same. If you want to take and remove this bezel, this front dash piece, I always pull the little steering tilt my steering all the way down. I throw the key in, all right, pull this down. You know what, matter of fact, I'll show you. Cause I got my radios in. It's 1, 2, here's the top one. Let me throw this bad pupper in here. All right, then I'm gonna get my lever out of the way. Oh, now I gotta tuck. Now I gotta tuck my wire. So I'm gonna set this down. If it don't look pretty, oh well. Set down some wire strippers, trying to prop it up. Holy, come on, there you go. You might not be able to see nothing I'm doing. Oh, daggum. Come on now, son. Show the people what they want to see. Show them what I want them to see now. Come on. There. That's something. So, my steering wheel's tilted down. That goes in there like that. Now, I'm going to tuck my wire down in here. Let it fall down in there. Just like so. Alright. Then I'll just make sure this right there, bam. I'll make sure the mic looks good. Put wires. And these are just pop in, just like so. She pops in, looks good. Here, I'll show y'all what he's got real quick. Just because. Alright, she's done.
What size is that? 19?
Maybe, I don't know. I'm showing these people looking at my YouTube channel the radio I didn't install, but how I tightened it up, put the dash back on. I'm showing them what it is. Yeah, it's a little turbo on another little turbo. We got all kinds of diesel stuff going on today.